Is Facebook down? Hello guys and welcome to our channel. Welcome to World of Apps. So I know that many of you have problems with Facebook right now because I received a lot of messages from people who have issues with it. As you can see, this is one of the errors that I got. Something went wrong. This may be because of a technical error that we're working to get fixed. Try reloading this page. And I went on Twitter to see if people have the same problem. And yes, as you can see, this page isn't available right now. You cannot write comments. So these are the problems with Facebook right now. You don't have to worry about it because they will fix this as soon as possible. So you just have to wait until they fix it. But if you want to try to fix it yourself, you can try to log out, then log in again, restart your device, and you can also go to settings and clear the cache and the data from your Facebook app. So guys, if you do have issues with Facebook right now, you can comment in the comment section down below your thoughts about it, your questions, what is not working for you, and what specific problem do you have. You can also like this video if it was useful and subscribe to the channel for more updates about this topic. Thank you so much for watching guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.